Welcome to day 449 of our DSO journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein, here without my twin brother Brian. Today he's also on vacation and he doesn't have internet, so he can't join me for these videos today. But remember, these videos are sponsored by NFT Tech. They are an investor in DSOFi. So I just want to talk a little bit about the crypto crash. It continues. Bitcoin has fallen under $20,000 for the first time in I don't even know how long. But we see Bitcoin at 19,100 right now. Ethereum is at under 1,000. It hit $998, and DSO is standing at about $8.44. The entire crypto space, for the most part, is down big. The market cap of the crypto space, which was up to $2.8 trillion in November of 2021, this morning is at only $844 billion. It hasn't been this low since around January of 2021, so that's about a year and a half or so. But I mean, we do have to look at the bright side. This happens in the crypto space. Bitcoin hit 20,000, I think, in 2017, and a little more than a year later, it was sitting at just $3,100. So technically, if you compare it to the past, Bitcoin has potential to fall even farther. You know, the move from 20,000 to 3,100 is about an 85% drop. If we see the same thing from the high of 65,000 that we saw at the height of the market, we could see Bitcoin fall down to $9,000 to $10,000 or so. So, you know, we're hoping that this is the bottom. I mean, most people are hoping that this is the bottom, but you never know. It could fall another $10,000. That's not out of the realm of possibility. The one good thing about this, and I know it's hard to come up with a good thing when you're losing a ton of money, a ton of at least wealth on paper, is the fact that this squeezes a lot of the weaker hands out. More people come in who have bought in at a lower price, but a higher price than the previous low. So they're going to be stronger hands for the most part. You know, sometimes it's good you get the weak hands out because it helps propel the next step forward in the next bull run. But also it gets the weak hands out when it comes to developer standpoint and people who are building on the blockchain, people who are building DAOs, people who are building NFT projects, people who are building new crypto projects or ICOs even. People like that, it gets those out that are not serious. And it helps kind of clean the space of the scams, clean the space of the, you know, the pumped up projects that don't really have that much value other than what people are speculating them to have. And I guess technically you could say the whole crypto space is speculative in nature, but there's a lot of projects that are, you know, pumped from a speculation standpoint, and they obviously shouldn't be valued as high as they are. And this is going to clean some of that. I think we're going to see huge changes in the crypto space. I think we're going to see huge changes in the NFT space. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. But anyhow, moving on, it's Aditya on DSO. He has created an activity feed for DAO, for the DAO Discord. And if you go to DAO Discord, which is the Discord for DAO.io, which is a DAO platform for those who are unfamiliar with it, you can now see DAO trades and DAO orders. They're two separate sections on the Discord, and you can see them in real time. Every time somebody places an order for a DAO trade, it's going to show. Every time a trade goes through, it's going to show. So it's really cool. Definitely check that out. You can see the link above this for more information on that post. There's a new DAO that's popped up on DAO, and it's called Lix, Lix, and it is a token and DAO project for an NFT staking platform called Lix59, which is launching soon. And Clay Oglesby is one of the individuals behind it. He might be the only individual behind it, but I know Clay Oglesby, a longtime DSO OG who's been huge in the NFT space on DSO, is behind Lix59. And Lix is going to be a DAO that launches in, I think it's 19 days, launching in 19 days. They're looking to raise $10,000 for the initial round. They have a whole roadmap laid out on their DAO. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be staking of NFTs. It's going to be intriguing to see how this works and whether it can work on DeSo. But definitely check out that DAO. I think it's definitely worth at least a read through. Can they raise the $10,000? We'll have to wait and see. But, it's nice to see Clay behind this. And again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. There's another link above this video. You can see more details on that. So ChainSurf. Many people in DeSo have used ChainSurf for, I guess it's probably close to a year now, maybe even longer. Created by Corerin. It provides real-time feeds. It's a Discord server that provides real-time feeds on founder reward lowerings, coin buys on DeSo, and Gringot orders, trades of creator coins. It has a lot of different feeds that are very useful. But I noticed as of about 7 or 8 days ago, those real-time feeds have stopped working, and it was a bit of a cause for concern for me because I use them every day. I like tracking stuff, tracking what's going on the DeSo blockchain. But according to Japzor, who's also on the Discord and also on DeSo, he said that Coreirin's currently on vacation without internet, so he can't really do much as far as fixing the issues. And he did say that Coreirin will decide if he keeps ChainSurf going when he gets back. So, I mean, that's a little discouraging. I hope I hope he keeps it going because I think the community really needs it and really loves it. So definitely reach out to Coreirin and let him know that you appreciate ChainSurf, especially when he gets back from vacation. Anyhow, that's all the news we have for today. I'll go over quickly the top hashtags. The top hashtags for the last 24 hours were crypto, NFT, DeSo, Web3, and post to earn from DeSocial World. And the top diamonded creators from the last 24 hours per Altum base were Krasenstein, us, followed by Mashalin, Now and Then, Spunk Art, Darian Parrish, Stargeezer, Quanti, Sean Slater, Panini, and okay, this is a name that I have finally figured out how to say. I usually say it as Gaike, Gaike, but the woman behind this account says the correct way to say her name is wait, let me do it correctly. Heike. So it's Heike. I believe I'm saying it right. You can let me know if I'm still wrong. I'm very bad with accents, so it's very difficult for me sometimes, but I'm going to try and get that right from now on. Heike. All right, and like I said, that's all the news we have for today. Brian should be back probably, if not tomorrow, he'll be back the following day, and we'll be back side by side again. But keep your heads up, everybody. Crypto space has to eventually hit a bottom. We'll talk to you tomorrow.